Being poor is not a life sentence. But giving up on learning, growing, and taking action can keep you there forever. Every successful person starts somewhere. Many begin with an empty wallet, no connections, and no special advantages. What sets them apart isn't luck, it's the decision to never quit. Every great success begins with one small step. While most people waste time making excuses, successful people invest in themselves. They learn new skills, improve every day, and treat every failure as a lesson instead of an ending. The biggest difference between being poor and becoming wealthy isn't money, it's mindset. A poor mindset focuses on problems. A successful mindset focuses on opportunities. One says, I can't. The other asks, how can I? No one becomes rich overnight. Wealth is built through discipline, consistency, and small daily habits repeated over time. Every positive choice you make today brings you one step closer to the life you want tomorrow. If your current situation is difficult, don't let it define your future. Your circumstances may shape your starting point, but they don't decide your destination. Remember this. Being broke is temporary. Staying broke is a choice. Start improving yourself today. Read one page. Learn one new skill. Save $1. Take one step forward. Because your greatest asset isn't the money in your bank account, it's your mindset, your discipline, and your willingness to keep moving forward. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this today.